So here we have the new Pioneer DDJ REV 7 controller.
Flux Automate.
Now this is a pioneering, just like the name, DJ controller that works with Serato. And this is an upgrade from the DJ controller that I've been using, which is the Pioneer DDJ 1000 SRT Serato. So it's time to update and upgrade to a new piece of tech. Now this enables you to do way more things than a lot of other controllers out there, and it's in a small package. So I'm just going to go through a short unboxing just to show you what's in the box, and then stay tuned for later on down the road where we'll do a full demo. So let's get trusty blade, open it up. We don't want to pierce anything, so we're going to be very careful right now. As I said, this is just an unboxing. I'll show you everything that is in the box, and then later on down the road I'll do a full demo for you. So this is just the outer box, which is nice to have to protect the original box. So if we can get this out. And then we can discard of that. So here we have it. Let's turn it the right way around. So bang, the DDJ REV 7 by Pioneer DJ, and as you can see, we got the two turntables. Okay, not jog wheels, but these are turntables, so they actually move. They have displays here to tell you what track is playing, or you can show the video art, and you can see the waveform, and you can do a lot more additional things with these screens compared to the previous 1000 SRT. And this is a DJ battle style controller. We have all the functional mixer buttons here, just like some of the big boy mixers that you'll find in the clubs. And this is just a nice compact version. So if you're a DJ that's on the road, you don't have to pull multiple pieces of kit with you. You can just bring this, put it in a nice holder, and you can go straight to a gig at a club or a house party or in a garden. Now that summer's here, who knows where you might be needed. So let's just get it open, show you what's inside the box. Raise this forward, and here we go. The box is open, and I'm just going to turn it to face me just to make it easier to maneuver around. Push that down there. Okay, so first of all, in the box you got the manual, but also you got the stickers for the turntable, so you can see what position you are on going around. If you need to pull back the turntable, then you can, and instructions in the box, in the bag I should say. And here we have the, I can't remember the name of this lead, but it's the one that connects from the back of the controller to your PC or your MacBook or whatever's controlling and running the software of Serato. You have the power brick. Now a lot of people try not to make so much noise with this, but a lot of people mention that why don't they put the power brick inside the device? But the benefits of having the power brick outside, there are two main benefits. One is reduced heat inside of your device, so you're not heating up and cooling down your device all the time. So when the electronics get warm and get cold, that's when they tend to start failing and you have more problems. But having the brick outside, this is the only thing that's going to get heated. Plus, if anything goes wrong with this, which is one of the main things that happen with any electrical devices, it's usually the power supply that will go first before anything else. At least you can just buy a new one and swap it out without having to take the whole thing in for repairs. So it's good to have this. And then we have what we call the kettle lead, which powers from the wall to the actual power supply. And then inside we have the device itself. So let's be careful here. Let's push this over here. And then we'll put that there. So we've got the styrofoam around it, and has a decent weight to it. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. So if we take the stop pieces, try and keep these things as clean and as neat as possible. You never know when you might want to resell. And here we have the controller. Now this is looking sweet. Looks even better than it does on the screen. So we can throw that under there for now. Just keep it neat and out of the way. And here it is. The DDJ, the Pioneer DDJ REV 7. And actually the weight of it feels really solid. It's plastic around the sides, but I've been advised that inside is actual metal casing all the way around, and then you have metal on the front. Okay, so apart from the top here where you've got a few plastic elements, but underneath that is metal, so it's real durable device. So if you take it out, it will withstand a few, bangs here and there. Not too many bangs though, but unlike some of the previous devices that have been predominantly plastic, this is predominantly metal, which will be durable for the future. So as I said, we have the jog wheels here, turntables, not jog wheels, and this is going to bring a whole new feel to actually, DJing. So you feel like you actually running on real turntables now, because these actually move, and they've put like a vinyl on top, so you've got a slip mat underneath, so you can actually, when you want to do some DJ scratching, you want to pull back and do a lot of technical stuff, you have the ability here. You have the mag fader here, which feels really good. And one of the greatest things about this, or one of the other great things about this device, for me, coming from the DDJ SRT 1000, is previously when I was doing my effects, I had to choose which channel I wanted to do the effects on, and then I had to go through and find which effect and then do all those kind of things to it. And then if I wanted an effect on another channel, I couldn't actually do it. I had to switch it, get rid of that one, and place it on the other one. Whereas now we have these triggers, or flaps. So these are independent of each other. So they have the ability to have the effects and everything. You can manage it through here and some of the other buttons. But then on one side you have, and then you have the others. So down the middle, you have your effects for here, and then you have your effects for here. Great. So yeah, super excited to get into this device. Got to sort out a few other things with the DDJ SRT 1000, which is on its way out now, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. That has served me very well for quite a while now. Brand spanking new condition still. Hasn't failed on me, just like the day I bought it, and it's still working perfectly. So I'm hoping that this will do the same, and I'm sure it will, because it's from Pioneer, been around for decades, know about what they're building, and always bring you the best. So just looking at the size comparisons between the two. So here we have the older DDJ 1000 SRT, which is the previous device I was using, and now here we have the new DDJ REV 7. So you can see this is a lot heftier than this in weight, but also the production. So it's quite thicker. It's probably like probably about a quarter of an inch. Yeah, I would say quarter of an inch. The way they've actually created it from the side, it actually looks thicker as well. The slim down this a lot more. The jog wheel compared to the turntable, I would say the turntable is a little bit bigger with its surface. But yeah, This is new tech hitting the market. Just come out earlier on this year, and with a lot of the chip shortages around the world, these have been a little bit hard to get, but I was able to get my hands on mine through a few connections, and now I'm looking to, get rid of this and focus on this. I'm about to go and have some fun. I'll see you soon with the full demo. Peace.
Flux. Automate.